Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to learn how to add an animated effect to our elements in the Wix Harmony Editor. Let's get started. So click on an element you want to work on, and on the action bar above, go to the animation button or the animation icon. On this small window, you'll see several animated effects that you can choose from. So for example, you have fade, shutters, fold, and so much more. So feel free to select the animated effect that you'd like to use. Apart from adding animated effects upon your element's entrance, you can also apply a loop animation. Loop meaning your element will always be animated according to the loop animation that you selected. Moving on, you can also apply a scroll animation. But by the way, you'll have to know that adding a scroll animation to your selected element will remove all the other animations you've applied to it. So if you add a scroll effect to it, its entrance and loop animations will be disabled. So feel free to select one over here that you'd like to use. And apart from that, you can also use the mouse effects. Once again, if you add a mouse effect animation onto your selected element, all the other animations you've applied will be removed. Only this will remain. So depending on your choice, feel free to add an animated effect that you'd like onto your selected element. So once you're done, you can safely close this window and all of your changes will automatically be saved. That's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.